Welcome once again to Cakeology. This is the science of success. If you guys are first time here, we talk about money, business, credit, entrepreneurship, how to turn that credit into real assets, how to build your business, right? So let's get into it, baby. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. So I want to get right into this, and I want to talk about how to turn credit into actual money, okay? So for example, credit cards, okay? So say you got some business credit cards, right? Say, you got 0% interest on those, right? Now, remember, this is not financial advice. Do all this stuff at your own risk, okay? I'm not taking responsibility for none of that. Don't come to me about crying about something. I'm just sharing my experiences with you, and I'm just sharing what I've learned with you by doing my own research. Make sure you guys do your own research as well, okay? A lot of people come to me and they say, well, I've got credit cards. I've got this, I've got that, but how do I really turn that into cash if I need it, okay? So first of all, I want to explain to you guys what is credit, okay? Credit is cash, first of all right? What isn't there out there that you can't buy with a credit card? 9 times out of 10, you can buy just about anything with a credit card. All right. So if you have inventory that you need to get, if you have supplies, if you have, marketing expenses, all of those things you can pay right with a credit card right up front. Right. So credit is cash already. You just have to know, okay, what pocket is it coming from? Okay. So say you have a bank account that's got an X amount of dollars in it, and you've got credit cards that have X amount of dollars in them. Okay. Me personally, what I would do is I would get business credit cards and use those first before I actually have to use cash from a bank account. Okay. Now, having said that, you say, okay, well, I don't have any cash. Okay. All I have is credit cards. How do I turn those credit cards into cash if I need to? All right. Well, the number one way to do it is by using a service called Plastique. Okay. I'm not an affiliate. They're not paying me for this. I'm just telling you based on my own experience. Okay. I've used them. I know a lot of other people have used them. Okay. What they do is that you can use your credit card to make certain payments to vendors. You can pay your taxes. You can pay other business expenses. There's a lot that you can do by using their service. Of course, there's a charge, but the more you use the service, the less that charge gets. And you can even sometimes negotiate that charge a little bit. Normally it's right around 2.5%, but it could be less. It could be more depending on when you're watching this video or depending on what promotions that they have, right? So right then and there, bam, you plug your credit card in there. They send a check out to the vendor. They send a check out to pay your taxes. They send a check out to pay your utilities. They send a check out to do whatever it is that you need done based on, the services that they provide. Sometimes they're adding on other services. Sometimes they're taking away some services. So it depends on when you guys are trying to do it, right? But that service is called Plastique. So that's one way of doing it, okay? Another way of doing it is to purchase something that you can possibly resell, okay? What is it that is what they consider God's money? What is that? Well, gold, silver, precious metals that you can purchase online, right? Now, once again, none of this is free, okay? There is cost involved. There is effort involved. There is planning involved, and it's not for everybody, okay? But these are some of the strategies that you could use if you're in a pinch and you need to actually get actual cash to make a move with, regarding your business or your personal or what have you, that you can't do with a credit card, okay? So what you need to do is start building relationships. Okay, so if you have certain pawn shops, if you have jewelers that you already work with, well, gold is cash. And you can purchase gold with a credit card right from online websites. Once again, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you some of my experiences. Okay, so there are services out there like AmpMex, okay, like gold and silver bullion. All you have to do is research those online and find the reputable one. I have used AmpMex and have never gotten burned. Okay, so it's easy to order, an ounce of gold, whatever. You can order silver, you can order whatever you want. Order bars, right? And those bars are money, right? So you can easily take those and get cash for them, right? In addition, the third way is through cryptocurrency, okay? I know that a lot of you guys are new to crypto. You maybe are not comfortable with it. You think it's all fraud, it's all fake, it's just all whatever. Well, crypto is based on a belief system. Bitcoin is based on a belief system. It's based on trust. It's based on a community, just like everything else. Okay, so you see these assets, some of you guys out there are dealing in real estate. Some of you guys out there are dealing in luxury goods, such as, exotic cars, watches, what have you, right? All of that stuff is based on trust. It's based on a market. So is crypto. Now, obviously, hey, it's a lot more risk involved in that, okay? Make sure you guys do your own research and make your own good financial decisions. I always recommend that you have a good accountant and a good attorney on your team always before you do anything, okay? And also, you be the accountant, you be the attorney. Make sure you do your homework before you make a move, okay? But for me, I've been in crypto since 2017. If you guys do want to talk to me more about that, book a free 15-minute consultation. The link is in the description below, and we can talk about it, as well as how to get you guys into my VIP business credit membership, where we help you build that business credit one-on-one, okay? So if you want to talk about crypto, you want to talk about these strategies, you want to talk about how to build personal and business credit and get real help, I'm talking about, not just a website with a link and you do it yourself. I'm talking about real one-on-one help. Make sure you guys reach out to me on my free 15-minute consultation call. The link is in the description below, okay? With crypto, what can you do? Well, first of all, you can purchase Bitcoin with a credit card, okay? You can purchase it through Coinbase. You can purchase through Gemini, okay? If you're in the US, you can purchase through crypto.com. Even Kraken also has a US-based app now that you can purchase from, okay? So all of those things are available to you. You can take advantage of that. In addition, you can cash that out also to your bank account, okay? So whatever fees there are, listen, if Bitcoin goes up, or if one of your other currencies that you're investing in goes up, that may be able to cover the fees. But as you guys very well know, it is very volatile. So you could win, but you could also lose. But this is just another way that you may be able to do that. Now, the last way is to be able to buy those items for your business that you're going to resell, okay? So inventory, okay? Inventory is cash eventually, right? So if you talk to your vendors, you talk to your suppliers, and you're able to pay with a credit card, you're able to pay with a line of credit, okay? And make sure you guys also check out the link in the description to Divvy, right? Divvy gives you guys a business line of credit and a business credit card without a personal credit check. All you need is good business credit. And you guys already know, in order to build good business credit, you got to have trade lines. I've got two of the hottest trade lines that report super fast to your business credit report. They're in the link in the description in the video. Couple of gems. So when we're building that business credit and we have these vendor accounts reporting, and we've built up our Paydex score, we've built up our Experian, we've built up our Equifax, and we've gotten credit, we can use that credit from business credit cards, lines of credit, so on and so forth, net 30 vendor accounts to purchase items that we're going to actually be selling in our business, right? So purchase of inventory, bam, to your customers, bam, you got that money, baby. So those are just a few of the strategies that I've used, that we've researched, okay, and we're still researching them, okay? Remember, not financial advice. Some of the stuff, is risky. So, proceed with your own mind. Proceed with your own due diligence as well, okay? Now remember, I'm always here for you. I've got the link in the description to everything I talked about, the two hottest reporting trade lines, as well as my free 15-minute consultation. Make sure you guys take take advantage of that, okay? Make sure you guys also subscribe and like the video. 2 or 3 videos every week for you guys regarding money, business, and credit. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and love, baby.